Open an Excel file. Maximize plus the audio. Okay. F10 to stop.
Okay. File, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view. So type, number, NO, last name, middle name, first name, MI, highlight, center. We will use auto increment. How to use auto increment? Type 1, 2, enter. Highlight 1 and 2. Make sure that your mouse pointer, pin plus, drag it down until the 10 appears. Okay. So, meaning ng auto increment, the difference between the two cells, 2 minus 1, is 1. Once you highlight it, tapos dinrag mo pababa, ang auto-increment niya, dahil ang difference niya ay 1, magpa-plus 1 siya na magpa-plus 1. Okay, for the last name, let's put Marquez, Maria, N. Okay. How to insert a row? Make sure that your mouse pointer is on 1, on the row. Pag sinabi nating row, yun yung 1, 2, 3 pababa. Ang column, A, B, C, D. Okay. So, saan ka maglalagay ng row? Sa taas ng 1. Okay. So, right click, insert. Okay. Type, NOH, school for crippled children. Okay. How to merge? Hanggang saan ba yung iyong column? Hanggang D. So, from A, highlight mo siya hanggang D. Yung starting ng column mo, or starting ng cell hanggang sa dulo. So, highlight, click merge. Okay. Bold. How to use Format Painter. Kasi ito yung isa sa mga bagong formatting ng Windows 2007 hanggang 2008. 2007 hanggang Windows 8. So, how to use Format Painter? For example, dito na lang, itong subheading. You make it red, bold, the font, dalawang beses na nagpalit tayo ng format. Nagpalit tayo ng color, ginawa natin siyang bold, pangalawa yon. Change natin yung size, we make it 26. Then the fourth one, binago natin siya, ginawa natin siyang Aharoni na font. Okay. So 4 times. What if you want to copy the format you make here at your MI, column D, dito sa number, last name, and first name? Ano yun, ha-highlight mo, ulitin mo ulit? No, you use the Format Painter. Because Format Painter, okay, copy the formats of your selected cells. So, copy, Format Painter, highlight. Okay. So, if you want to arrange your column, make it sure that your mouse pointer looks like this. Okay? May arrow to the left and then arrow to the right. Okay, double-click, 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 double-click.
Para mag-fit siya.
Mag-auto-fit siya or auto-width. Mag-auto-width siya ng cell. Kasi kung ano yung pinakamahabang cell mo dito, for example, di ba lumagpas na siya? Yun ang kukunin niya. Okay, so double-click. Okay. Delete. Kasi yun ang pinakamahaba nalaman ng cell. Okay na. So, this, gawin natin siya. Because heading yan, usually the heading is larger, the font size is larger than the subhead. 30. So now what we're going to do is that we encoded 10 lists of names of the students. Maria, Cristina, Marquez, Cristina, N. So we're going to insert another row. So pag sinabi nating row, nandito tayo sa numbers na to, 1 hanggang pababa. So, if you want to insert a row, right-click, insert. Okay. Here, we're going to type month of June. Yung ginagawa natin, this will serve as our master sheet. Then, we're going to add another row. Dito nating month of June, let's make it 20. In the color of blue. Taasan natin. Then, how to insert borders? We are inserting borders just to emphasize the table. Then, separation din. At mas maganda siyang tignan. So, how to insert borders? This is the border. So, ang status niya, no border. Click the drop down back arrow. Then, all borders. Some people are highlighting it again and then putting a tick box. Tick box kasi parang mas maganda siya. Mas maganda siyang tignan. Okay, it's also a separation from the subheading to the records or the content of your table. So, for example, ito, now that you are satisfied with your master sheet, pwede ka nang magdagdag pa ng mga list of students. For example, doon lang tayo sa 10 examples. Vidal, sample. Nikki, M. Vidal again. Edney, M. Sulit, Raymond, L. Joyce, your last name? Huh? Menor, Joyce, Millet, V as in Victor, Boy. Then, 5, Herbert. Herbert, what's your middle C? Zaira is? Dinglasan.
Zaira. S. H. Kulay. S.
Australia. Who else? Okay. Narag. Chris B. Danao. May. Oh, okay. So, here are the examples. If you're satisfied with your master sheet, there are 2 ways of copying. We copy it by highlighting or by choosing this one. Click, copy, then let's go to sheet 2, paste, control. And this for the month of July. Okay, add another sheet, okay. Click this, go to the master sheet. These are master sheet. Para hindi kayo malito, rename your master sheet as June. Okay. Your sheet 2 is July. Okay. Your sheet 4 or the third sheet is August. Okay. For June 1, month of June, copy mo ulit, copy, go to August. Make sure na ang selected mo ay A1. Okay? Andito ka sa A1, wala ka sa ibang cell, Control V, paste. Control Z natin, ha? What if? Kinapin mo yan, Control C. Andito ka, Control V. Okay? Tignan nyo, to paste all cells from an Excel worksheet into the current worksheet, you must paste it into the first cell. And the first cell is A1. A1. Dapat letter muna, hindi number, hindi 1A. Ang tamang pangalan ng cell ay A, letters muna, then letter muna, then the number. Column muna, and then yung row. Kasi when we say column, we are pertaining or we pertain to the letters. Pag sinabi naman nating row, we are pertaining to the numbers. Ito yung letters, ito yung numbers. Okay. Ang mahirap lang sa ganitong copy, sa ganong proseso ng pagka-copy sa isang master sheet is, for example, yung Christina ko, kulang yan. May Maria dapat yan. And what if dun sa mga rest ng sheet mo, meron ka 9 months pang natitira sa isang school year. Diba? July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. So, may 9 months pa. Ibig sabihin yung the rest, yung 9 months or yung 9 sheets na yun, papalitan mo ng Maria Cristina. I-update mo. Okay, look. Yung July, hindi nag-update yung Cristina. Yung August, hindi nag-update. So, the best way is, go to July, yung mga ginawa mong sheet, ito lang ang tatanggalin mo. Yung hindi constant na variables, yung hindi constant na records. Kasi ang constant dyan, itong mga heading niya. Tama? Yung month, yung number, itong subheading, and then itong number na to na in-auto-increment. Hindi sila dapat baguhin. Okay? So, what we're going to do is we are going to use the equal sign. Because when you use an equal sign, it means gagamit ka ng formula. Okay? Then, after typing the equal sign, go to your master sheet. What is your master sheet?
A1.
No, June sheet. June sheet. Etong June. Kasi yan yung pinaka-master sheet mo. Pinaka-kokopyahan mo, reference mo, and then press enter. So, automatically, Marquez, lumipat na siya. Okay? Make sure that you click it or highlight it, drag it. Yung mouse pointer nyo, ito, itatapat nyo yan dyan sa box na yan. Drag nyo papunta doon. Tapos, drag nyo pababa. Okay? So, for example, mali pala to si Joyce Millet, double L pala. So, click mo lang yung L, dagdagan mo. Okay? Enter. Automatically, si July, tignan mo yung Millet niya, double L na rin. Okay? Then, for the rest of the sheets, burahin mo to. Ang iiwan mo lang ito. Okay? Yung heading, yung yung month na heading, and then the rest. Palitan mo yung month, make it August. Equal sign again. And then, you should go to the master sheet. Wag sa July. Dun ka sa master sheet. Enter. For example, ang middle name ni Maria Cristina is not N. It's D. Ang papalitan mo lang is yung master sheet, which is yung June sheet. D. Automatically, lahat, the rest of the sheet will update. Yung July, naging D. Yung August, naging D. Okay? So, okay siya. Okay. So, it's good for updating. And then, what if nagbago ang isip ni boss? Sabi niya, hindi ka kasi nag-consult sa kanya na ang format is last name, first name, middle, initial. Ang gusto niyang format is ganito. Marquez, comma, Maria, Cristina, N. Anong gagawin mo kung 1,000 yung mga estudyante? Di ba? Ang hirap nung papalitan mo lahat yan kasi you have to retype it. Kung pwedeng i-exist mo lang to, comma, tapos itatype mo lang yung Maria. Okay? Hindi naman po pwedeng i-merge yan eh. Look ko, kung i-merge ko yan, okay, nawala yung the rest two cells. Control Z is undo. Okay. How? What we're going to do is that, let's put it here. We are going to use another formula. You use equal sign. Okay. Anong mauna? Marquez, di ba? The last name, Marquez. We're going to use the end sign because end sign is combining cells. Combining the content of the cell. Okay. Paano may ko-combine? If you want to put an space, comma, etc., gumagamit tayo ng double quote. Ibig sabihin, pwede ka magpasok doon ng alphanumeric. And when you say alphanumeric, it's either letters, alphabets, in the alphabets, and numeric, any numbers, okay? Any characters. So, equal sign. Kasi si Marquez may comma, oh. Eh, dito naman sa mga cells ninyo, di ba, walang comma. So, you put comma, and then, maglalagay ka ng space. Why do we use space? Kasi bago mag-Maria Cristina, may space. Ito, oh, may space siya, oh. May space, di ba? Okay? So, you add a space using your space bar, and then close quote mo kasi tapos na siya. And then, we're going to combine, ano i-combine mo? Ito. Pero before you combine it, you should add an end sign first. Kasi nga, i-add niya, ipagsasamahin niya. O, end. Ito, naglagay ka na ng end, click Maria Cristina. And then, after that, maglalagay ka ulit ng end. Why? Kasi nga, bago mag-end, ito, bago mag-end, may space ulit. Eh, dito naman, no, sa D, wala namang space. Okay. O, double quotes again, space bar, close quote. Tapos na kasi. And then, you put another end. Kasi isasama mo tong middle. Enter. Click mo siya, yung D, enter. So, ang nangyari is, Maria, okay, palitan mo to. Kung papalitan mo to at gagawin mong N. Ayan. Okay? Then, you click this one, drag it pababa.
Lahat na yun.
Yes, lahat na. So, hindi mo na siya ni-retype. Naglagay ka lang ng isang formula. Okay? And then, if you want to copy this, kasi ito formula yan, formula. Pansinin nyo to, oh. Yung formula bar, naka-formula yan. Okay, formula yan. So, what you're going to do is that, if you want to copy this, copy, highlight, copy, or Control-C, shortcut key. Pagpupunta ka dito, right-click, paste, paste special, ang pipiliin mo values. Why values? Values, kinakopy niya kung anong nakita niya ditong laman. Kasi ito, kahit i-delete mo, andito pa rin siya. Okay. Paano pa nag-copy tayo? Ano mangyayari kung hindi ka nag-select na by values? Tignan nyo, ha. Copy mo itong tama, copy, lalagay mo dito, Control V, errors, reference. Kasi binura mo yung naging reference niya na last name, eh. Okay, naintindihan ninyo? So, pag magka-copy ka, naayos mo na, Control C, right-click, paste special, ito special, values lang. And then, click OK. Okay? Then, pwede mo na ito i-delete. Okay, as a rule of thumb, when you are creating your worksheet, when you're adding sheets, okay, hindi maganda na nagde-delete ka. For example, ito na pala yung tama, ito na yung gusto ni boss, papatungan mo yan. Kung ito, na-save mo siya ng list of student by month, okay, yung kanina na nabago ng last name, first name, middle initial, ito sana, isave mo into another file name. Para in case na magbago ulit yung isip ni boss at gusto niya, sinabi niya na gusto ko yung last name ihiwalay, yung first name magkaihiwalay, yung middle initial magkaihiwalay, mas mahirap gawin yan. Okay? Kaya ito, tatanggalin na natin to. Delete.
First name.
Okay. Ititira na lang natin. Okay. Ang ano to is name. Okay. Tingnan mo pa nag-enter tayo. Kasi ang purpose ko niyan, dapat sa ilalim ng name, may guide na open parenthesis, last name, para may guide yung encoder. So, you type, alt, enter. Okay, last name. First name. MI. Ganyan. Middle initial. Okay. And then, liitan mo to. Gawin mong 14. Okay, nagkakaintindihan tayo? Okay, ganyan siya. So, ganyan na magiging itsura niya. Okay. O, eto, nawala na siya. Okay, pwede mo naman i-delete yan pag ganyan. Delete. Okay. Tapos ito, delete mo lang. Copy mo dun sa master sheet. Control-C. Go to July. Control-V. Okay, nagkakaintindihan?
Opo, ma'am.
Meron ko lang.
Tapos ito, balikan mo ulit. Control-C. Go to August. Control-V. Delete. Okay. Lakihan mo. Drag mo. Drag ng konti. Okay. Pwede mo itong i-highlight, align, right. Okay. The difference in saving your file save as, Lagay natin siya sa My Documents. List of student by month. Edited. Okay. The difference between save as type, automatically, Excel workbook yan eh. Naka-Excel workbook yan. Okay? Ang Excel workbook, hindi mo siya po pwedeng i-open sa mga later version. Yung mga 2007 pababa. Ibig sabihin, 2006 pala pababa. Hindi mo siya ma-open yan.
Oo nga, hindi babasa.
Hindi yan mababasa, hindi niya mariread. So, ang maganda kasi, ang advantage ng saving your file into Excel 97 to 2003 workbook. Kung pwede mo siyang i-open dito sa mga later version, yung mga old version ng Microsoft Office, at po pwede mo rin siyang ma-open, ma-edit using Excel workbook yung mga bago ngayon. Okay? So, save. Okay na. So, that's it. Okay.